Boy, oh boy, as we come back, just take another look at this, and you can see, boy, look at that, man. The thing is, it hasn't been, like, it's not like it's been raining all day. No. I mean, this really just popped up. What would you say about how? Hour and a half ago?
Yeah, about an hour and a half or so ago, we started seeing thunderstorms really. Now, we were watching clusters of storms out of North Texas. Then more and more started popping up. These have actually intensified as they've moved in, and that's why you have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for most of the area until 8 o'clock. Let me show you now. We have numerous warnings in place now. In fact, every county in the Metroplex is included in a warning, and let's talk about this. So the newest severe thunderstorm warning, it's flashing here on your screen. It includes downtown Dallas. That is until 6:30 for damaging wind gust potential and hail up to the size of quarters. We are also obviously very concerned about a flash flooding threat with these thunderstorms. You saw the live picture behind Chris. That is a common scene. And also, if you're hearing the sirens right now, and I know a lot of you have, at the top of the show we talked about this, the Colony, Frisco, Allen, other areas in Denton and Collin counties, that's not for tornadoes, that's for hail up to the size of quarters. Of golf balls. That's why the sirens have been sounded. Severe thunderstorm warning for Parker and Tarrant County until 6:30. This thunderstorm, the core of it here, could produce up to quarter-size hail and some damaging 60-mile-an-hour winds. It is drifting towards Saginaw, drifting toward Fort Worth as well. So we're going to keep an eye on that one. That one would be in Fort Worth and Saginaw in about the next 15 to 30 minutes. Here's our new severe thunderstorm warned area for northern Dallas County from Carrollton over to Richardson and Garland. Very heavy rain, flash flood potential, up to quarter-size hail, some damaging wind gusts up to 60. Flash flood warnings in effect for Denton County and Collin County. Also a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for each county. 2 clusters of very strong thunderstorms with tons of heavy rain rolling through. Right now, it looks like Lake Lavon. That's where the hail would be right now, north of Wiley. Let me put a track on this first edge of thunderstorms here. Greenville 608, Quinlan, you could see some 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts and some very heavy rain and maybe even up to quarter-size hail by 6:30. Hawk Cove 638, West Tawakoni 643, Sulphur Springs 708, Emory 718. It'll be all the way into Picton by 748. We have this other cluster of thunderstorms which has come down a little bit in intensity, but still tons and tons of heavy rain. This is Denton and Collin County. Parts of these areas have picked up 3 to 5 inches of rain just within the last couple of hours. There's the heavy rain in Louisville, Frisco. Another batch is moving in toward Collin County and Dallas County because of this leading edge right here, and there could be some gusty winds with that one too. Richardson, that one at 631. I know we just talked about you, but another one at 631. Dallas 642, Rowlett 657, Mesquite 709, Greenville 727, McClendon Chisholm around 729. Terrell 653, West Tawakoni again 805, Sulphur Springs again 830, and Emory again at 841. Another severe thunderstorm warning in Navarro and Henderson counties. This thunderstorm is northeast of Corsicana. It is drifting toward Gun Barrel City. So if you live in Gun Barrel City, some quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts would be possible. Here's a wider view of North Texas. Big clusters of thunderstorms in the Metroplex and up toward the Red River. More scattered variety thunderstorms to the south of I-20. We will continue to monitor these all night. We're not going anywhere. Social media, Facebook, X, you name it. We're going to be there. We're going to be watching these, and we'll post all warnings and alerts as they come out. So by 7 o'clock, there's that mess of thunderstorms. By 8, still in Dallas. The heaviest stuff in East Texas by 9 o'clock. We get a bit of a break. We will be watching for round 2 to move in overnight and early tomorrow morning. But with all of the thunderstorms we've had so far, it's unlikely those would be severe overnight because a lot of the energy has been zapped from the atmosphere at this point. So when these roll in or try to roll in, they will lower their intensity. You see how they kind of weaken as they move from west down to the southeast. But nonetheless, some thunderstorms overnight. And forgive me for saying this, but another round tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, more scattered thunderstorms with the potential for them to be severe, especially to the east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It's a level 2 slight risk in place across the Metroplex and areas east for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Tonight, scattered thunderstorms, some of them severe, 72. Tomorrow, 88. More scattered thunderstorms, some of those severe. 14-day forecast. It will calm down a little bit for the work week, but that means we crank up the heat. 95 on Thursday, 93 Friday. More scattered thunderstorms in the second half of the 14-day forecast. We will be right back after the break.